All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. DIY with AB, the knife sharpening device is completed. So, as you can tell, I didn't use the magnet. All the other ones I saw online had something like this, and so I found some old angle brackets, put them in the vise, straighten them out, and lo and behold, now they are holding the knife to the base. And here, what I didn't pin it, but what I did was I shoved pounded wood shims in here on each side and underneath, from underneath. So this thing is solid, it doesn't move. And I screwed it from underneath. And the screws that hold those brackets, I screwed them all the way down, and then I got the cutting wheel and cut them off so they don't scratch the table. But again, this all in place. It works. So I took it for a little test run. I haven't really totally sharpened anything yet. I just took my phone and got it on the angle setter and set it on top of the stone here. And I got it to a 25-degree angle, and then I went over here with a little magic marker, and of course it may change with a different knife, with different knives, but anyway, you always want to check your angle no matter what knife. I guess you have to change it for every different knife you sharpen. You have to just double check it. And that's it. I haven't found a little piece of leather yet to put down on top for the stropping. Like I said, I don't know that much about knife sharpening, but we will give it a whirl. Adios.